Have you ever wondered how we prioritise which roads to grit? Each winter, maintaining the road network is a high priority for us. In cold weather, our gritting teams treat the roads that people use most, as well as routes used by frequent bus services. We grit over 300 miles of road to make sure people can get to where they need to be, with as little disruption as possible. We also have over 260 grit bins across the borough and refill these throughout the winter. The grit bins allow people to take local action whilst we concentrate our resources where we can have the biggest impact. To make sure we are ready to go when the cold weather arrives, we start work at the end of each winter to get ready for the next. Our preparations include reviewing our performance data and learning from it, buying salt, maintaining our vehicles, and recruiting and training our team for next winter. As autumn comes to an end, we use data from national and European forecasts, as well as weather stations, to build up an accurate prediction of what's to come. If we see ice or snow, we warn our gritting teams to be ready. Before it arrives, we decide when to start gritting, making sure we use the right amount of salt at the right time. We prioritise our resources to make the roads safe, but please do remember the highway code. Do not travel unless it is essential. Never assume a road has been treated. If you'd like to know more about the work we're doing to keep our roads safe in the winter months, please visit our website.